Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to find your player ID in ColorBlock Jam. If you ever want to save your progress, report an issue or connect with support, you might need your player ID. So I'm going to walk you through this step right away. First of all, launch open ColorBlock Jam app on your device, and from the home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right. Under settings, click on legal terms. Now, you will see account deletion and data request button. Tap on it. You will then be able to see your player ID displayed in the pop-up. Select your player ID and then you can copy it and paste it in a desired location. And that's it. You successfully found your player ID in ColorBlock Jam. You can use your user ID whenever needed, for example, if you are trying to connect with support, delete your account, and so on. And that's how you easily find your player ID in ColorBlock Jam. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.